Is your team drowning in spreadsheets, juggling 17 tools just to track influencer campaigns? We've all been there, chasing ghosts and fragmented analytics, stressing over FTC compliance, and wasting hours on manual outreach that goes nowhere. The Influencer Marketing Pack fixes this with AI driven sentiment analysis to match influencers to audience demographics. Multi-channel outreach automation with dynamic personalization, customizable KPI dashboards synced to Google Analytics 4, and real-time compliance monitoring for GDPR/CCPA. Marketing managers, social media leads, brand strategists, and digital campaign directors. This is your Swiss Army knife. No more herding cats, just turnkey scaling. Here's what's inside the Influencer Marketing Pack. Influencer discovery with audience alignment algorithms that analyze engagement patterns. Automated outreach sequences that personalize email, SMS/LinkedIn with merge tags and behavioral triggers. ROI tracking modules with customizable dashboards visualizing CTR, CPA, and CLTV. Compliance monitoring with automated content audits for FTC, GDPR requirements. Unified campaign management workspace with asset sharing and version control. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Your campaigns just got a power up. Installing the Influencer Marketing Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add influencer marketing pack. That's it. You'll download the full workflow: discovery algorithms, outreach templates, analytics connectors, and compliance checkers. Your next Claude code session auto-detects the pack. Your AI assistant now understands queries like optimize ROI for TikTok micro-influencers or flag compliance risks in Instagram captions. No PhD in Excel required, just plug and play performance.